Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to activate your welcome bonus on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, it will take you to this web page. Now, in this page, you'll have to log into your account. Now, in order to get welcome bonus, you'll have to sign up for an account. To do so, click on this button. And once you click on it, it will take you to this page. In this page, you'll have to enter your account information. So go ahead and enter your username, password, and confirm your password by re-entering the same password. And at last, enter your email address. Once you have done so, click on this next button. Then on the next section, you'll have to enter your personal details like your title, first name, last name, date of birth, and your country. Go ahead and do that. Once you have done so, click on this next button again. Then at last, you'll have to enter your contact details like your address and your phone number. Now, scroll a bit down. Then you'll have to select your daily limit, weekly limit, and monthly limit. And you can also select your preferred language and currency. Now, the most important part is, under welcome offer section, you'll have two options. The first option is sports, that gives you up to $30 free bets plus 20 bonus spins. Now, make sure to click on the first option and not the second one, because the second one won't give you any offers. Now, once you have selected the first option, click on this checkbox. Then at last, click on the register button. Once you have done so, you will receive your welcome bonus. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.